Some of y'all might wonder, do people go deep in a big lifted bike? And I tell them no, man, we're fucking scared. We're those type of people that if we had to go deep, we ain't about going deep. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, going deep is for the people that actually send it. And I mean, we don't really send it. It's getting deeper. It's getting deep. Oh, it's deep. Question is, Sean, do we go deep?
It's nice. Doesn't this feel good? Way better than sitting in a fucking field. I don't want to go play in dookie cow shit. Shut up. I want to be in the lake. Woo, look at him get it. It's smoking. This shit's smoking. Yeah, blue smoke. Is, do you trust your snorkels? Like me and Scott have been here before. Oh, the pedal! Hey, the man's right. Going deep, boy. Water wheeling on 40s right there. Right there. Yeah. God damn, girl. I said get it, not get it. God damn.
You stuck? God damn. Shit's swampy, boy. Yeah. Come on, baby. Let that bitch eat. Hell yeah.
They're not designed for this type of abuse.
Does it look like you were like 12 feet deep?
Yeah, I was about right here.